Dune House by BNLA Architecten in the Netherlands. This playful and modern holiday home is located in the middle of the dune landscape of Ameland, one of the few islands of the Netherlands. The beautiful nature reserves gave me the opportunity to create a completely new country house in this wooded and dune-rich environment. A fusion of nature and architecture. Tranquility and nature merge with a sleek and minimalistic design. By experimenting with light and different levels between the spaces, a pleasant atmosphere is created in the house, which reflects the typical landscape of the area. The large number of windows in the facades also gives a sense of connection with the surroundings and creates the house its own character. A robust appearance has been chosen for the use of materials for the facade. Burnt wood in combination with a thatched roof gives the house a tough look. Despite the fact that this was a requirement from the local authority, BNLA has managed to turn it into a unique object. The interior, designed in collaboration with interior designers Ina Matt, is on the other hand calm and light, providing a tantalizing contrast. Light colors and natural materials have been chosen for the interior finish. The wooden roof construction, which can be seen throughout the living room and kitchen, gives the space extra height. The playful layout also provides space for surprising floors that are connected by voids and stairs. This interplay of natural elements and a sleek design has created a luxurious holiday home where you can fully enjoy nature.